Under the vast night sky, a simple cross stands illuminated, casting a soft glow upon the church grounds. A peaceful melody fills the air, enhancing the serene and reverent atmosphere. In quiet reverence, Sarah bows her head before the illuminated cross. The soft glow of the cross bathes Sarah's face as she prepares to speak. Sarah begins, her voice soft with reverence, and starts to recite, "Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name." Sarah continues her prayer, her voice echoing softly, "Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven." The illuminated cross stands as a testament to her unwavering faith. Sarah's eyes shut tightly as she whispers, her voice filled with heartfelt devotion. In a moment of serene trust, Sarah fervently prays, "Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us." Her face radiates profound faith as she continues her prayer. As Sarah nears the end of her prayer, the music rises, filling the air with anticipation. Light begins to radiate from the cross, growing stronger. The celestial light envelops Sarah, bathing her in its glow as she whispers, "And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil." Sarah's voice echoes with resolute faith as she concludes the prayer. "For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen." Sarah stands silently before the cross, head bowed in prayer. The music fades, leaving a sense of profound peace and reverence. The illuminated cross stands as a beacon of hope and faith, shining brightly,